The holistic Hunnies love to keep your pets well. Good morning, everybody. It's Jamie and the gorgeous Winnie Wazzer, who's a little sedated right now. We gave her some rescue remedy and a couple other of relaxing herbs. She's about to go in to the holistic vet to have her non-anesthetic dental cleaning. Winnie's nice and sedated, laying very comfortable for us. This is Miss Teresa.
Hi.
She's wonderful. And we're just going right along here with a non-anesthetic dental cleaning, removing all that buildup and tartar. Much safer for the little ones. And she's tolerating it really well.
There she is.
Girl, Winnie. And I wanted to introduce Teresa to you all and let her tell you a little bit more about herself.
Hello, I'm Teresa. I am a dental hygienist for over 30 years. I started doing dogs about 5 years ago. I still do work at a dental office doing human patients. I do the dogs twice a week, and I do humans twice a week.
So basically, for any of our viewers out here that were looking for an alternative dental procedure and you were maybe a little leery about putting your dog under anesthesia, this is such a great alternative. And Teresa, would you mind explaining to our viewers why you feel that it's important to have our dog's teeth cleaned?
Well, all this bacteria will have some consequences with their heart, especially if the dog has a heart murmur or any heart condition. All this bacteria will just aggravate that, and it also will do some damage to the kidneys and sometimes the lungs and other organs. So it's important to remove all this bacteria so they don't, especially as they get older, they don't become more aggravated with this if they have, any of those conditions.
Yeah, I was listening to a cardiologist one time giving a lecture on the correlation between the teeth and the heart. It was really amazing that there's such a strong connection, and I can even attest to it with my little Isabella. She grew up in that puppy mill and had awful teeth, and yeah, she had a murmur, enlarged heart, developed congestive heart failure, so this is pretty important. How often should we have a dental cleaning done?
On younger dogs, you can have them once a year. As they get older, they tend to build up more and faster if you're not doing the maintenance. So usually around 8 months, sometimes sooner than that, but at least 8 months to 12 months is a good idea.
A lot of our pet owners would love to know your advice on how often should we be brushing our pet's teeth.
Well, ideally you want to brush every day, but I know it's hard for everybody, so at least if you can do it 2-3 times a week, it would be a huge help, especially on older dogs because they tend to build up a lot quicker. So ideally every day, just like you and me have to brush every day, but anything is better than nothing, so at least 2-3 times a week will be a great help for them.
And can you recommend any kind of a bone that's really good for them to chew to help clean the teeth?
I'd like to recommend, under supervision, raw chicken wings or turkey necks. That would be the best for them, but they have to make sure that they eat it right away. Don't let them hide them someplace and come back to them later because of the salmonella, of course.
Oh, okay.
So you have to make sure that they eat them right in front of you and eat them and get it over with.
Awesome. And Winnie has a little abscess on one of her canine teeth, which we are going to be treating with oil of oregano.
Well, the abscess is drained already, so it's an old abscess, but we are going to put some oil of oregano formulation for dogs that is an antibiotic and an antibacterial. So we're going to keep an eye on it, and if it abscesses again, unfortunately, we're going to have to extract that tooth. But we're going to try to maintain it.
Try to see. brush it for us, Jack. How beautiful and sparkly white.
Good girl.
This is such a great alternative, and Teresa's going to tell you where you can contact her.
We are in Altamont Springs. The name of the practice is Animal Healing Solutions, and you can call me at 407-949-4938 for a non-anesthetic dental. And we are here with Dr. Fasano, and she is a holistic veterinarian.
Who I absolutely love, by the way.
Yes, you are a good girl. Good job. Good job. I know. This was horrible, wasn't it? But look how cute you look.
How
Look at that beautiful hair.
Thank you so much, Teresa. This was a great experience.
She did perfect. She was a good girl. Good job.